Hello everyone, greeting of the day. Welcome to Applied Programming Tips. Myself Dinesh. By profession, I am an architect. I have more than 15 plus year of experience. So today we will learn how to debug Python. So this is very important to debug uh, your code or script while writing the code. So this is very important and we are going to learn is very easy way. So let's get started. So now I have created a new complete fresh scratch new profile. So if you don't want how to create a new profile in VS Code, you can go back and see my previous video where I explain how you can create a complete new profile in VS Code. So I have created new profile, and now what we will do, we will install Python so that we can debug this script. So what I will do, I will install Python so that I can run this script here. So Python is getting installed, you can see in the screen. So it's getting installed, we have to wait for some time. So let's see when it gets installed. So now you can see it get installed. If we go back to our code, so we must be able to see Python extension. So if I click here, so now you can see we are able to see this we are able to see this play icon where we can run the file. So um, in order to debug the file, we have to press key commands like shift Ctrl D. If you press shift Ctrl D, then this screen will be visible. If you click on this create a launch.json file, so it will ask you several options. So since this is Python file, so you have to select Python file, click on Python. So it will generate a configuration to debug Python file in VS Code. Perfect. So now what we will do, we will debug this. This is sample script. This is hello world programming Python. So now I have so whenever you want to debug any Python code or file in VS Code, you have to put this breakpoint. Now you can see in the red dot, right? So 1 2 3 4 4 debug points are there. So similarly you can put this red dot anywhere, any line of code. If you want to halt a debugger at that particular line, so you can put this red dot that we call breakpoint. So now we have this script. So now we'll debug this. So in order to debug, what I need to do is I need to go here and select debug Python. Okay, so I will hit this debug Python file. For sure our debugger will come here and stop. So we'll see in a moment. So it is coming up, it is coming up. Let's wait. It should come here. Yes. Oh, this is timeout. Oh, no problem. Sometimes this type of error you will get, right? So don't worry, try it one more time. So this is very small configuration machine, so sometime you will get this kind of error, so don't worry. So you have to try once again. So definitely the debugger will come. See, now you can see the debugger is here. You see this is highlighted in the yellow line, yellow color. This the row or line highlighted with in yellow color means the debugger is there in the yellow line. So if you want to check, what is there inside this num, right? So you can see. So this is how you can validate what happening after each line, right? So what's happening after each line, see, so number num1 equal to 2. Similarly, you can press F2, and what is inside num2, you can see, right, 3. So all the code, the result would be evaluated at that particular line. But please keep this thing in your mind. So if your debugger is here, meaning your code is not evaluated or not translated yet, so you have to wait until this debugger evaluate this line and move to the next line. So once this debugger evaluated this and move to the next line, then you can see the result here. See, nothing inside result, nothing showing. So if you move one line further, now you can see the result. See, 5, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So now you can see the result. So this is how you can debug Python code in VS Code. Okay, so this is very important and very easy, right? So now I hope you guys learn how to debug Python code in Visual Studio Code, right? So if you feel this video is helpful, informative, helped you by any manner, right? So please like, share, subscribe, and comment below, right? And subscribe these channels and share with your friends, so that they can they can get more accurate information. So thank you so much for watching.